Welcome to the Home2 Suites by Hilton in fabulous Las Vegas. This is a really nice hotel. It's a little weird to get to it, but it's not bad. It's a nice one if you're looking for a hotel that has a little kitchenette. The parking here is kind of sketch. It's really small, and imagine you can go into one of two that I saw parking garages. It's right off the highway, and it's behind the Park MGM and the Delano and Mandalay Bay. You can see right there too. There's a lot of construction that was going on here though, unfortunately. But other than that, it wasn't bad. But it's, really nice when you have a nice hotel room to go to, and it's not strip prices. So you can see the construction going on here. It was kind of but we still managed to find a nice parking spot outside and have to go into it. The bad part, $15 daily parking fee. That sucks. A lot of places let you stay for free, but not this one. So let's go check it out. And here is our room at the Home2 Suites. What's nice about these is that they are all suites. So you have a little kitchenette right when you walk in the door. You got your microwave, even a dishwasher. That's pretty cool. A sink, fridge, freezer. Nice big size too. Oh, I can't open it. There we go. It's hard to open it. And then a big glass rolling door. Oh, look, that looks like a high potty. Guess what won't show up at the little did you realize or no. A little small shower. Typical 3. It's not too bad. Towels. Nice little desk area. And this is a pull-out couch. We won't go there, will we, Tina? A full-length mirror that looks like the secret door for aliens to come through. Well, we are in Vegas. We are in Nevada. The TV's like all the way over here. So this is one of the things like I could notice before, not even saying something for later. It's over here, and then the 2 queen beds are over there. It's kind of weird. But they have lots of desk space, lots of countertop space. I guess if you were here to party and you wanted snacks, like we were just laughing because I had some snacks in my backpack and we were thinking about Spaz. Chime in, comment below if you know where that's from. Hey, Spaz, she wants it. With the cooler of snacks. That was too funny. A little closet. And we are at the pool. Look at that. It's a nice little pool. Some lady's collecting everybody's loose change. No. I think it's a guy too. Oops. Nice little waterfall though. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Now this was gotten on what, Lloyd? Points. And you had to put down a $100 deposit.
Yes.
And she's taking out $15 a day to park your rental car.
Yeah, which we didn't know about.
Yes, we did not know about that.
Didn't see the fine print.
No. So that's coming out. It's got a lot of outlets and plugins.
Lots of outlets.
Yeah, which is really great. Lots of outlets, lots of plugins for your USB devices. That's really awesome. Little wheelie chair. So it's a nice hotel, but we didn't see that you'd have to pay $15 a day. We're here for a week, so we will update you guys as we spend the night and wake up in the morning and use the shower and see how that is. And anything else little did you know, or things you didn't notice when. So stay tuned. And we will also too get some video down there in the lobby. They had a really busy looking lobby, a lot of different things going on down there. So we'll check it out and I'll include it here in this video for you. This is in Las Vegas in Nevada. See you soon. Good morning. This is our inspired table here at the Home2 Suites. We have muffins and bagels, eggs, sausage, links and patties, Belgian waffles, the cereal, there's coffee, yogurt, juice, a lot. Although sadly, there is no fruit, no fresh fruit. And Lloyd said they don't really have fruit too much anymore. A lot of places are getting away from it. So, let's dig in. Okay, things you might not have noticed. This room was really nice. It was clean. The beds were a little hard, but the sheets were super soft. And it was enough blankets. The AC unit worked really nice. It was nice and cool. But what was wrong with this? Look at these holes. And you said it's off the track?
It's off the track. It should be in the track. And
You see it's all messed up on the sides.
it should be in this track here.
Oh, it's supposed to be all the way in that track.
Yeah,
I see.
yeah, like this.
Oh, that's why it's all ripped on the side.
Yeah. So what happens is in the morning you get a lot of daylight showing through.
Yeah.
Where it should have been
Should have
dark.
been dark. Yeah. Yeah. That's a shame. That's a shame.
So they should have replaced it.
Yeah. Yeah. This is really a nice room if you were coming to Vegas to be frugal and bring your own food in with the kitchenette. There is really nice. And you have everything you need, silverware and cups and bowls and plates and things, dishwasher. I mean, everything, nice big fridge, you know, the typical stuff. The toilet, like I said, this was a really nice surprise to see it up higher. I like that a lot. The door, the glass door that you roll back and forth, it's a little, it's just, I don't know, you can wing it out, you know, kind of like it's like, ooh, I don't know. And of course, it's a little dirty on the side. One thing I noticed, we went through the towels, and the last towel, I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's got holes all in it. You know, like, hello, you can see my finger through there. It's really threadbare, and there's one there. It was like the whole thing, you know, it's ready for the heave ho, you know. You might not care at home, but when you're in a hotel room, yeah, that wasn't too good. So that was that. The only other thing is that the toilet paper roll thing was kind of back from when you're sitting on the commode, so it's kind of a little more awkward to get to it. So that's about it. The shower was nice and clean. I will say about the water pressure, whenever anybody used it, your pressure kind of went whoosh, whoosh. It went in and out. And, I mean, it was still there. The heat was still there. The temperature didn't change too much. It did a little, but yeah, that's a plumbing thing. But everything else seemed really nice. I mean, I can't really complain too much. This was on points too, yeah? This was points. And they had a ton of those outlets and USBs, you know, on the lamp. They had it on each bedside. They have lots and lots of ones in the middle here. There was some there. And there was some underneath each light. Like there's a whole bunch of them over there. So it did not lack for that, which is really nice. And it's needed when you have so many things you have to recharge up. But that's it.
Don't forget that we had to pay for $15.
Yeah, that was true. That's one of the bad things too. Parking isn't free, and you think it would be for guests, but nope, it wasn't. We had to pay, was it $15 a day?
Yeah.
$15 a day for parking. That wasn't good at all.
But Vegas, in a whole, everybody's paying for parking no matter where you go.
Yeah. But this is even off strip though.
Yeah.
Whereas we went over to the Virgin to play and to gamble, and they didn't charge us nothing for the parking. And then the other parking thing, where was that at last night, Lloyd?
The Rio.
The Rio. Since I joined the Rio's rewards, I didn't have to pay for parking. There was some other place too. I didn't have to pay for parking that we did. Was it the Virgin? Yeah, I know the Virgin we didn't. But was it just the Rio we used our card?
Yeah. Oh no, that was the Hilton. The Conrad.
Yes, Resorts World. Yeah, Resorts World. I have a card there, members card, and we did not have to pay for parking. Otherwise, it would have been what, $18 a day?
Yeah, $18.
$18 a day it would have been. But so I just used my card and we didn't have to pay anything. So that was cool. Very, very nice. So make sure you do bring your members card. If you don't have one, you can always get one, and that helps. But this is the Home2 Suites in Las Vegas, off the strip. We're right behind what? We're on which side of the strip do you think we are?
We're on the western side.
Western side
of the 15.
Of the 15. And I think we're behind what hotel? Trying to remember what hotel we are behind.
Well, the MGM.
Yeah, it's across the street is the MGM and all that. So that gives you the general idea where we're at. But overall, it's nice. Definitely recommend this one. So we'll see you guys in the next. And there was the fruit over by the front desk. So weird. But they had a little refrigerator right there that had like frozen pizza, cold pizza, ice cream, that you could take stuff back to your room. They had a bunch of snacks there. Very cool. We would come in every night from throwing our money away in the slots and just grab ourselves a Pepsi. And what was nice was we were there a week, so the lady recognized us, which was really awesome. So we didn't have to stop at the front desk and say, okay, we're getting another Pepsi, but she kind of knew and just waved to us. These are just some of the other seats here in the lobby. Nice little table and chairs and couches, and I guess that's the business center, just the two little computers right there. I don't really like that because your back is to the people, it just kind of anybody can stand over your shoulder. But at least they do have a nice little ATM. That was cool. So that's nice. It's handy actually to have the ATM. And then these are the tables they had that we ate breakfast at that you saw. And the place where you eat the food, you get your food, is all with a curtain drawn when they're not serving. These are just more table and chairs. They actually have a patio too that you can go out and sit out there. And there's even a grill. But I don't know if you can use it anytime you want or if that was for the hotel. That seems kind of, I don't know if I'd want to be doing that. But that was the whole area. It's small. It just seems like it's small, doesn't it? But it was nice. And I thought this was really funny. It was the sign on the doors that says spin to cycle. I didn't know if that was for the spin class or the spinning of the exercise bike, or they mean that's just for the laundromat because they have a laundry area with a washer and dryer. And is that what they mean? It could go for either one. It was kind of silly. I just gave me a little chuckle, but that's just my weird sense of humor. But anyway, that's the Home2 Suites by Hilton in Las Vegas. Hope you guys like it. Thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you in the next.